In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Epson XP6000 printer. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber. You can see there is a handle here, so push the door up and now go to your ink cartridge chamber. Ink cartridges are locked here, so we have to unlock them by pressing this blue button, and you can take them out one by one. Once we do that, we have to install the ink cartridges. So place the new ink cartridge, match the color and the alphabets. Once it is done, close the ink cartridge chamber by pressing it down, and now we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.